Welcome back here with us on Times Now. Some breaking news coming in from the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has pulled up the Central Bureau of Investigation seeking transfer of West Bengal post-poll violence cases on the ground that there is a hostile environment in the state courts. And here we are talking about 2021 West Bengal post-poll violence case. Now, top court wrapped the Central Investigation Agency's remarks saying that not liking a particular state does not allow them to cast aspersion on the entire state judiciary. So there we have the Supreme Court coming down heavily on the Central Bureau of Investigation, which had sought transfer of the West Bengal post-poll violence cases of 2021, and their ground was that there is a hostile environment that they are facing as an agency in the state courts. Let me go across to my colleague Harish joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Harish, some scathing observations there coming in from the Supreme Court. Harish? Harish, can you hear me? Okay, we'll go across to Harish in just a bit, but that's the big news that we are breaking for you right now. The Supreme Court coming down heavily on the Central Bureau of Investigation, which had sought transfer of West Bengal post-poll violence cases on the ground that there is hostile environment in the state courts. Supreme Court has also observed that it is unfortunate that a central agency is making such a comment about state courts. Let me go across to my colleague Harish, who is now joining us on the phone line. Harish, give us more details, some scathing remarks coming in from the top court.
Yes, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, in fact, the Supreme Court was hearing a petition filed by CBI seeking transfer of around 45 cases out of the state of West Bengal pertaining to post-poll violence of 2021. But the Supreme Court, led by Justice S.O., took very strong view as far as the language that are used by the CBI is concerned. The CBI had apparently said in the application that a very hostile atmosphere prevails in the courts of West Bengal, and also Supreme Court said that this amounts to casting aspersion on the functioning of the judges in the court. How can you say that hostile atmosphere prevails in the courts of West Bengal? Supreme Court said this is a fit case wherein we can initiate contempt proceedings against the official who drafted this particular petition, and said that definitely maybe the officials of the CBI may have problems with the judicial officers of West Bengal, but you cannot make such scathing comments. Saying so, the Supreme Court stopped short of initiating contempt proceedings and has given liberty to Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, who had appeared for CBI, to change the statements. So very scathing observations, like, let me read out for the benefit of viewers. It says, you are casting aspersion on the entire state judiciary, and it's unfortunate that a central agency like the CBI can make such comments against the judiciary. Now, as of now, the Supreme Court has stopped short of initiating contempt proceedings and has given liberty to CBI to in fact withdraw this particular petition and file a fresh petition. Back to you.
Harish, appreciate you joining us with all of those details. With this, we will slip into another very, very short break. More news and updates on your way on the other side. Stay with us.